Hello, welcome to Ludic Science. Today I will show you this solenoid engine. We have a flywheel here which is connected to this kind of piston, and when it is in this position the coil is energized and pushes this magnet here, and we have this movement. Here we energize the coil, the piston moves backwards and the flywheel moves. In this position the coil is disconnected, but the inertia of the flywheel makes it to continue to rotate until we are again at this position when the coil is energized, and the cycle repeats. I love these little engines, but strictly speaking they are not engines, but technically they are electric motors. But their movement and sound is like that of an internal combustion engine. I have made several of them. Here, for example, I have another version. I also have a video of this motor. It works really well. Let me turn on the power supply and give it a push, and there you have it. One of the key aspects when building these engines is how to turn on and off the coil. In the case of this version, I have this lever here that moves the micro switch below, and in this case we make the commutation of the coil at the necessary moment. But one problem with this approach is that we have a lot of friction here, so we need more power to make the engine run. This version is simpler. This is one of the ends of the coil, and the other end is connected to the axis of the flywheel. It is just turned around, and the axis is also of a material that conducts the electricity. And here, if you can see, there is another wire that goes to the batteries, and when the flywheel turns it makes contact in this position, and the contact is maintained until the flywheel turns around. So in this way we make the commutation of the coil. So let's see how it works. As you can see, it works with only 5 volts and less than 100 milliamps. So you could run the motor from a USB port or a cell charger and it will work perfectly. Okay, so there you have it, a small solenoid engine. That's all for today. Thanks for your visit. If you want to help me to make more and better videos, please visit my Patreon page. Thanks, and see you in the next one.